What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you, getting myself together, about to get ready to go to this job site. And I was thinking, someone asked me the other day for some advice on how to burn 7018s the correct way. He said he was having some issues with learning how to manipulate that rod and use it for its best benefits. Um, if you have questions like that, if you have some questions on how to get better and to increase your craft, man, just hit me up. You can hit me up on Messenger, on Instagram. You can leave messages on my videos on YouTube, and you can also leave messages on Facebook, or you can call me um, through those sources. I don't mind helping anyone. My consultation fee is for when you want to learn the business and you want to learn how to make money and you want to learn how to grow what you got going. But if you just want to learn how to weld, I give you some tips and some instructions for free. I mean, I don't want to charge you for that. I mean, I want you to get better. I want you to do better. I want you to be able to provide for your families. Um, just once you get good, remember me. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want to charge no one to help them on that level. Now, when it comes to tutoring and physically teaching, yeah, I charge for that. But just giving you some advice and showing you what you need to do with your machine settings, or how you need to have your angle or your travel speed, um, or your gap distance from your metal to be able to burn your rods correctly. Hey, I want to help you with that. So if that's you, feel free to hit me up, man. I mean, I want to see you grow. Hold on.